Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play with a Sense Overhaul. In this part I'm gonna buy Ocean Sense. And I'm sorry that I upload when the event is ended like a month ago. Because I was very busy about school, competition, homework, and a lot of events. And I have a project on Abi Creator and Piggy. If I finish edit the summer event parts, I will edit the Bonetail Frisk parts. I will make the video shorter by speed up when I make the hot dogs and sell them. I'm gonna buy the things first. I'm gonna make the sausages and the buns have the same amount. And it's time to make hot dogs. And it's time to sell them. I just finished the first set. I'm gonna close to make another set. Let me sell this first. I just finished selling the first set. It's time to make another set. I was app crashed because of charging full, and after the work I had 84.13K coins now. This is a boring part, I'm gonna skip this part. So I got only 90 buns and sausages. time to sell it all. And now I get more than 100K. I can buy Ocean Sands now. Let me sell all my hot dogs for a sec. It's time to buy Ocean Sands. The event now. I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. You can watch me walk around or go watch another video.